Welcome back to Nutrinourish Hub. Protein is essential for health, and those on weight loss diets understand its importance. While many foods offer protein, eggs and paneer are top choices, providing not only protein but also essential nutrients, healthy fats and vitamins. Eggs versus paneer. Are you confused about which one is a better source of protein? Let's learn which one has more protein and health benefits. Health benefits of eggs. Eggs are a superfood loaded with essential nutrients including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Due to their rich nutrient profile, they offer a plethora of health benefits including rich source of proteins. Eggs are highly nutritious, providing ample protein and essential vitamins such as B2, B12, D, A, and E, along with iron, folate, and healthy fats. Protein aids in muscle repair and immune function, while other nutrients support skin health, calcium absorption, and overall health. Packed with amino acids. Apart from protein, eggs contain essential amino acids in the right ratios, making them a complete protein. Experts say they can aid in weight loss, lower blood pressure, boost bone health, and increase muscle mass. Reduces risk of heart health. According to a British medical journal, moderate egg consumption up to 1 egg per day is linked to lower cardiovascular disease risk. Eggs, being relatively low in calories and nutrient dense, can reduce LDL cholesterol or bad cholesterol, promoting better heart health. Promotes brain health. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient crucial for brain health, experts explain. Choline is linked to reducing inflammation and enhancing mood, memory, and other brain and nervous system function. Supports eye health. Eggs are packed with nutrients like vitamins A, E, and selenium, and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, supporting eye health and retinal function. Boost weight loss. Eggs, rich in protein, healthy fats, and amino acids, and low in calories, are ideal for weight loss diets. They promote satiety, keeping you full for longer and reducing the urge for snacking. Keeps bones strong. Eggs contribute to bone health due to their vitamin D and zinc content. Vitamin D aids calcium absorption, crucial for strong bones. Paneer, also known as cottage cheese, is not only delicious but also offers several health benefits. Here are health advantages of incorporating paneer into your diet. A rich source of protein. Paneer is a nutritious source of protein, vital for muscle building, immune function, and skin health, making it an excellent protein alternative for vegetarians. It also provides healthy fats, carbs, fiber, potassium, and calcium. Strong bones. Paneer is high in calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium also plays a role in nerve transmission, muscle function, and heart health. Supports weight loss. Rich in protein and low in carbs. Paneer is an excellent choice for weight loss. Its high protein content promotes fullness, reducing calorie intake. Prevent heart health problems. Paneer contains potassium, which helps balance high sodium levels, maintain blood pressure, and support heart health, according to experts. Boost immunity. The magnesium in paneer strengthens the immune system, reducing the risk of colds, flu, and infections. It can also boost energy levels when you're sick. Good for skin. Selenium in paneer promotes glowing, healthy skin. Essential nutrients like vitamin B2 help keep skin wrinkle-free by maintaining collagen production. Promotes digestive health. Paneer is easier to digest than many other dairy products. It contains phosphorus and magnesium, which aid digestion. Magnesium acts as a laxative, while phosphorus boosts excretion processes. Both paneer and eggs are excellent sources of protein and boast a plethora of health benefits. Besides protein, they contain healthy fats and are low in calories, aiding in weight management. Now, let's delve into which food pack a higher protein punch. Eggs contain slightly more protein than paneer, with 1 egg providing 6 to 7 grams of protein, while 100 grams of paneer provides about 25 grams. Eggs offer essential vitamins and minerals like choline, vitamin D, and B vitamins, whereas paneer provides calcium, phosphorus, and healthy fats. Thank you for tuning in to Nutrinourish Hub, where we're dedicated to fueling your health journey with knowledge and inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more nutritious content. Stay healthy, stay vibrant.